things. And you learn about it because you think about how it should work, and then you do it, and you're like, oh, that's absolutely not how it should work.
Yeah.
I know that, and then you do the next thing, and you keep going until you have like this paint palette or this anchoring system, and it's just like iterating and iterating, and it's just this makes me excited for the future of spatial computing because it's like this is building blocks. This is not just like an app, you know. We can do so much with this as developers
Yeah.
because it's the layer between the hardware and the device. Sorry, well, like the device hardware layer and the software, and you have this layer in between that you can build all these things um, like connected AR, and yeah, it's just mind blowing.
It's mind blowing. It's funny because I feel like Andre's like, I don't know how you guys feel, but like if it's like giving someone a box of Lego, and if they complain that it's not assembled, you're like, all right, well, you're probably not going to be the one who makes a cool thing in Lego. Like the whole point of it is that it's anything you want. So yeah.
Who made this little like I don't know how much of the mesh I have, like, or the previous artwork I have, but who made like
Oh
this?
yeah, I just made that right now. Because I'm looking at you. You know what's
Oh,
funny
nice.
is I'm looking at you, and I have a mirror right there, so I used myself to trace a human, kind of.
Oh,
That's awesome.
nice.